Hello there. Purpose of this video is to help teachers set up their classes in MobyMax. So we will go to MobyMax.com. We will make sure we click as a teacher because we're signing in as a teacher, and we will enter our stuff in. We will go ahead and do that. So once it logs in, we're going to click Moby Learning. This is kind of like our little dashboard here for the teachers. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you can see this section here called Teacher Administration. And we're going to click on Roster. Once we click on Roster, all these should be all the students in your grade level. So you may have 3 different classes for science, or several different periods, depending on what grade level you're at. So what is easiest to do is to create or edit group. You see there it says create or edit share class, but that's really intended for when there's multiple instructors for the same group of students. So right here, after I clicked on create or edit group, I then click right down here where it says create new group. And so I'm going to call this science class, just a generic name. So whatever you want to put your name in as, and then you click save. And then a little tip here, I like to sort it by last name, because if I'm looking at my roster, typically they are in alphabetical order by the last name. So it's a little bit easier for me to look at my roster as I go down and choose the people that I want in this group. So if in this science class, I just go down and I click on whichever students are in that particular class I'm setting up. And then as I go down, I'll choose a few more so you get the picture. And then very important, don't click the X right here before you click save down here, or all that work will be for nothing. So let's click on that. All right, so now it's in there. Now I can click out of that. Should be safe. So what we do is we want to go back down to here. So let's say I wanted to go in and check that group, that class. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. See, when I look up, I can't see it down here, but I scroll down just a little bit and I can see sort and filter. And again, I like to prefer that last name, but it's going to show you all the students in your class, or you can go in here and sort it now by the classes that you have set up. So we'll go back to that science class. There's those students. This would give me ideas of a little overview of their last time logged in. You can check their progress. Here's where you're going to assign any specific lessons that you wanted to do. So everything for that class you can do in here. So you assign your lessons. You can check all your stuff in there. We'll get into more of that in another tutorial, but that is the basic overview of how you can set up your classes in MobyMax. I hope that helped, and if you need any other tutorials, please let us know. Thank you.